Hi, this is Brian from Fruit Powered. I want to show you how to make a very delicious treat. This can work as a meal, can also work as a dessert. I had this last week and it was delicious. It was just bananas, apples, dates, and this time around we're going to add some blueberries. So we did a little prep work ahead of time. That's why the apples are turning a little bit brown from oxidation. Then we have some bananas sliced up. We also have dates pitted. We got blueberries for the topping, and we're just going to start off by getting a few more layers of the apple here. This is a mandolin. I picked this up about a year ago and I use it for occasional recipes. It's good at making lasagnas and any kind of thinly sliced fruits and vegetables. So we have this on the thin setting. We made a few thick slices. Now we're just going to get a few more very paper thin slices of apple. As you can see, these are almost melt in your mouth thin slices of apple. And we'll use them to create this banana tower, as we call it. Okay. So we're going to make the sauce. And what we'll do is I'm going to take one of these bananas. So I add a creaminess. We will take some apples here, and we'll use 4 dates. Also going to grab about a handful of blueberries. We're mainly going to use the blueberries to top the dish. Blueberries are really appealing when you have them just kind of scattered on top of the dish. It injects some of the flavor in the sauce. Left the sauce a little bit on the chunky side. There's a fair amount of liquid in it too. Don't want it to be too runny, otherwise it'll get all over the place. So we will build the banana tower in this bowl here. We're going to try to take it up maybe about half a foot high. We'll start off with layers of banana. Build the base. And now we'll grab some layers of apple. And when you're making this kind of meal, you don't have to worry about how thick and how thin. Every time you make it can be different. Now we will alternate every layer. Apples, bananas, dates, blueberries. Then at this point, it's almost an exercise in repetition. You're just going back and you're adding another layer of bananas, and then from there, apples, and then back to the sauce. Back to another layer of sauce here. It is looking delicious. We'll top it off with one more layer of bananas. We'll add a little bit more sauce with the final bit of blueberries. Let the blueberries run all over the place. With with my dirty hands, I say this is banana tower. It is a lot of fun to make, and it is even much more fun to eat. It is delicious. Hope you give it a try. This is Brian from Fruit Powered. Go Fruit Powered to supercharge your life.